I listened to the police scanner all night. Okay, this is May 27th, 2011. Walking along the side of my house. And there you see a potential issue. There's all sorts of people walking around trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, this is to show where the water is going. You can see it flowing right down there. Maybe it's going into there. But then it also goes and flows right there. And that's why it's flowing. A minute ago, you could see that it was also flooding right into there. But as you can see, comes right down the street, and it doesn't even flow. This one doesn't even have anything going into it. This one is full right there. Now it's receding, but it was right up against my house. By the mud pattern, stick pattern, it all rushed right up here against my house. You can see it just comes right down the street there. That's the pattern. You can also see now where it's going right into my house. And that is now going right into my house, where the water, it just was intensely going down. And this right here, I don't know, it's hard to see, but the water, the sidewalk is way, you can tell that it's so washed out. Going down, and you can see now maybe how that's just completely washed out under there. That's the Orkin thing. You can see right under my